I roll 2 dice and observe 2 numbers x and y. The first question is to calculate the probability x is greater than 3 given that y is 2. The second question, let z is equal to x plus y. Find this conditional probability. Let's first calculate 1. Probability x is greater than 3, y equals 2. And because x and y are independent, so this is equal to probability x is greater than 3. And x is greater than 3 means x can take 3 values, 4, 5, and 6. So this is equal to k from 4 to 6, probability x equals k. So this is equal to, because each of these probability x equals k is 1/6, because it's a dice 6 faces. So there are 3 of them. So this is equal to 3 times 1/6 equals 1/2. Number 2, probability x equals 4 given z equals 8. And this is equal to, based on the formula for conditional probability, this is equal to probability x equals 4, z equals 8, divided by p, z equals 8. Let's first calculate the numerator, which is easier. Okay. The probability x equals 4, z equals 8 is equal to probability x equals 4. Z is x plus y, so x plus y equals 8. So this is equal to probability x equals 4. So let's figure out what y is. If x is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 8, y must be 4. So y equals 4. And this is equal to probability x equals 4 times probability y equals 4, because x and y are independent. So this is equal to 1/6 times 1/6, which is equal to 1/36. Okay, let's calculate the denominator now, this one. So probability of z equals 8 is equal to probability x plus y is equal to 8. So let's figure out if x plus y equals 8, what are the possible values of x and y? So x starts with 2, because if x is 1, then y is 7. A dice only has six faces, so x starts with 2. So the first item is probability x equals 2, y equals 6, plus probability x could be 3 as well, so y is equal to 5, plus. And we can see we can add up all the way to x equals 6. In this case, y is equal to 2. And this is it, because we can, x ranges from 2 to 6. X cannot be 7, because a dice has only 6 faces. So this is equal to, because in each of these items, x and y independent. So for example, the first item would be probability of x equals 2 multiplied probability y equals 6, right? So this is equal to probability x equals 2 times y equals 6 plus, and the last item is probability x equals 6 times y equals 2. So each of these is 1/6 times 1/6 plus. So there, as we show, there are 5 of these items, right? Because x ranges from 2 to 6. There are 5 of these items. So this is equal to 5 times 1/36. Okay, now we already calculated the numerator, which is this one, and we also calculated the denominator. So now we can calculate this whole thing, right? So we have probability x equals 4 given z equals 8 is equal to the numerator, which is 1 over 36, divided by the denominator, which is 5 over 36. And this is equal to 1 over 5. Thank you for watching.